In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox does not support admin installation. Please rerun. This error usually occurs because you don't have the necessary permissions to launch and run the Roblox client. Now, to fix this problem, make sure that the client is not running and search for RobloxPlayer in your Start menu search. So open up the file location and a new window will open up. So right click on that and open the file location again. And then click on the highlighted area and click on Properties. And then click on Compatibility. And under Compatibility, click on Run as Administration and then click on to apply. So I hope this method will fix the error. So if this doesn't fix the error, the only ways you can try is the uninstall and install the Roblox again. So what you can do is search Roblox on the search menu again and then click on uninstall. Now to install Roblox again, just open up your browser and then log into roblox.com and try to play any game. So I'll just click randomly and then just hit the play button and you will be asked to download the apps. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.